Welcome to this VantagePoint series, getting the most out of VantagePoint indicators, the predicted strength. Predicted strength indicates the degree of change between a predicted and an actual moving average. Predicted strength helps you find a market with the most strength or most weakness. That means that it is very useful in trade selection when you have several choices of markets that you might want to trade. Predicted strength can also be used as an overbought, oversold indicator. Predicted strength is a 3-day moving average of typical prices predicted 2 days ahead minus the current 3-day moving average. A typical price is the average of the high, low, and close. The value of predicted strength relative to the zero line is a key indicator of trend. The angle of the predicted strength line in conjunction with other indicators also suggests what the trend could potentially be. The value of predicted strength primarily is finding the best market to trade when you have several choices. The most important reading of predicted strength is how it relates to VantagePoint's predicted neural index. Both compare 3-day predicted and actual moving averages of typical prices 2 days ahead, but the neural index gives only one of two readings. 1 is bullish, 0 is bearish. Predicted strength shows the degree of those readings, how strong or how weak is that 1 or that 0. We're going to zoom in on several candles and show you how a neural index reading of 1 might be more decisive at one point than it is at another point. Looking at the candles in the box that we outlined, we notice that the neural index is at 1 and the predicted strength is at 0.82. On the second candle, the neural index again is at 1, but the strength has moved up to 1.02. It's gotten stronger. On the third candle, neural index is at 1, but predicted strength has sunk to 0.20. We move ahead several more candles and we show again that the neural index is at 1, but in this case the predicted strength has sunk all the way to 0.03, which is not a very conclusive, definitive signal that this is bullish, indicating that not all neural index readings are created equal. Another possibility with predicted strength is used as a overbought, oversold indicator, with boundaries suggesting where the market might be ready to turn. On this chart, the upper boundary is at 1.5, the lower boundary is at minus 1.5. Most of the action takes place within those boundaries, but there is no limit on the size of the variance from 0. Let's summarize a few of the key points about predicted strength. Predicted strength provides short-term forecasts 2 days ahead, most like the neural index. It is a useful tool in market selection when there are several choices from which to choose. Perhaps the most significant use of the predicted strength is in showing the degree of strength of the neural index. Not all 1 readings mean the same strength. Thank you for watching this session. Please visit the Market Technologies Learning Center for additional tutorials.